Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaya and I'm so happy to have you here. Alright, it has been a hot minute, y'all, since I have sat here in front of the camera, like just sat down with y'all and filmed a video. I was so busy with all of the Hawaii vlog series editing. By the way, if you guys have not watched that, you need to go check it out. I'll have it linked down below and up here somewhere because something very exciting happened on that trip. Do you guys notice anything different about me? Anything at all? I'm engaged. So I got engaged while in Hawaii. My little FBI agents in my phone were busy working overtime. They fed me some ads for subscription boxes for the newly engaged. So anyways, I signed up for 2 of them because I was like excited. First of all, I'm engaged and yes, I want to be celebrated. So that's what we're showing off today. I have 2 companies I actually signed up with. Yes, I know, I'm spoiled. I signed up for both of them. But I liked them both and I didn't know which one was better, and I was like, I'm gonna just get them both and we'll go from there. First company we're gonna talk about is the ring box. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I like these. And how this one works is you choose your box. So you can do a 3-month, a 6-month, a 9-month, or a 12-month subscription plan. And then they handpick things for you. You do a quiz, and let me tell you how much it is. I want to say it's like $39.95. $35 a month for this box. So let's get into it. It says, congratulations, you're engaged. We're excited to be a part of this journey with you. XOXO, the ring box. The first thing I see is some socks. They say bride, 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 and it looks like their ombre with that there. That is so cute. So I can wear these on the night of my wedding. What's this? I've got a little box here. Drop pearl earrings. How beautiful. That is so pretty. Oh wow, this is a little ring. Oh my god, it says I do. It says I do in there. Do you guys see that? How cute. So I think this is for like your wedding day to hold your ring. Love that. Always and forever, happily ever after. In the back is, what is this? Book. Oh, it's a photo album. That's so cute. Oh, I have 2 of these boxes because I've been procrastinating on filming this, and so I have 2 lined up here. I got a freaking t-shirt and it says Future Miss. And I love the color. Oh my god, I got some shoes recently that would look mom with this. Cute. Future Miss. Am I showing you guys? There's one more thing in this one. You know what? I think this is the second one. I don't remember. And so together they built a life they loved. Oh my god. I love that. Okay, so I think this was actually the second box because, yeah, this is the first one. So they got a little book that says you're getting married. I remember seeing this. You're getting married. What is this? Oh, it tells me what's inside. Box. How cute is this? One thing about me, I love me a water bottle. Right? How cute. A missed photo keychain. Oh, I can put a picture of me and my hubby in there. A pair of socks. These ones I can wear now because they say future wifey. Future wifey. Wedding planner sticker book. Oh, that's cute. So it says invite sent, cake tasting, dress, bride to beach here, seating chart. There is a frickin' planner in here. Planning our happily ever after, y'all. I'm so excited because I need a planner. I really do, because we have like venues to be seen. By the way, I'm really excited. I'm gonna like vlog the entire series of us planning our wedding and like going to go see venues and the cake tasting, wedding dress shopping. It's gonna start off with, we are going to create little like proposals for our bridal or wedding party. So you guys, I'm gonna take you guys along with me when we go ask if, you know, they will be a part of our wedding. Oh my God, I'm dying over this. It's got like everything that you could need. Entertainment, the invitations, who we're going with. Oh my God, it's got a guest list. I'm so excited. It tells you like it's like a to-do list. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm about to not me getting emotional. I'm so excited. That was awesome. And by the way, this is not a comparison. Like, I'm not gonna say one company is better than the other because I just don't want to do that. That one is the ring box. I'll have them linked down below so you guys can check them out if you want. If you guys are newly engaged like I am, congratulations to you. Let's send each other tips and tricks and ideas. So next up is the Miss to Mrs. box. And theirs is different from theirs. The ring box is every month and this one is every other month. All of them have the first box free, so this will be down below, so check them out. How it works. So it says you customize based on your wedding date. Yes, I like this one. You can subscribe for $37. That's how much it is every month. The first one is free, and then they send you a box every other month until your wedding date. So you have to enter in your wedding date. So I already gave mine. I'm not spilling those details just yet. Oh, not me coming in. Done. Honey, you are a fiance now, girl. Yeah, I'm not including those details on like my wedding date and stuff just yet, but I will be vlogging that stuff like I told you, so you guys will know all the details as I go. But yeah, so let's check out this box. Every bride to be, it says. That's me. Is this like a planner thing too? Okay, sorry, this is a little something. It looks like it's got ideas. Okay, this is a cute ass paperclip. Oh, how to begin planning a wedding. 11 to-dos for the maid of honor, top tips for your wedding budget, how to estimate your budget, how to find your wedding style, the wedding vision. I'm so excited. Wedding planning hacks. Okay, this is, oh my God, another card. One thing about me, y'all, I love me a tumbler too. A 17-ounce double-walled tumbler that says, I said yes. And I did. I love the rose gold because that's cute. Jewelry wipes. I could totally use these. Gotta keep eye. Oh, a t-shirt. It says now I know I said I'm not gonna compare, but this planner compared to the other is heavy duty. Future Miss Planner, slay for the big day. This planner belongs to notes. Okay, I do think I like that one as far as like the insides go. The inside of the planner goes better because it's got more details to it, and this is mostly like, this is the only thing. There's a notes page on one side, and then this side is top priorities, appointments, and calls / email. So I think that these will go hand in hand with each other because I don't think that one had enough notes section, but this one does, so I can use that. I got 2 pens that say you got this. They are rings or diamonds. And then what is this? A countdown calendar that says days until you and me become. Wow, that is it. So the question is, do you guys want to see these every time I get a new one? I won't get a new one of the ring box until next month or the month after, and then this one comes next month. So do you guys want a what's in the box every month or every time I get a new pair, or do you guys just want like something on Instagram, or do y'all not want to see this at all? Let me know down below. If you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you are a newly engaged like I am, congratulations to us. Cheers to you and yours. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see some wedding planning content. I will have my regular beauty videos coming up very soon as well. I have some in the works right now. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video. If you guys are super excited for us, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.